There we go.
Okay.
That's it. It started. It's ready. Nothing more to add there. You can unmute yourself. I'm just starting it. I just want to. The thing is, if I'm working, I always wanna. Nowadays, I always work with a stream in the background. Sometimes it's public, sometimes private, solely for the reason that I just don't have space on my computer to store all the footage, so it's easier to stream and let YouTube do all the storing. And it should be thankful because
Awesome.
later I'll use them for videos that make them money.
Sure,
Oh,
it
right,
does.
the thing I wanted to show you, hold on. Don't get too excited because nothing too exciting, but let me put the camera on Discord so that you don't need to have the delay. But basically, I've done a little bit of work on Taxi. And by a little bit of work, I mean, well, a little bit of work, but that's only because it worked on the first try. What I did was incredibly fucking impressive. But basically, I've set up a GitHub repo for it.
Oh,
Yeah, I did do that.
nice.
And it now does in fact have a GitHub repo. Okay. Because you did mention that you wanted to make the faces, but the graphics. So
Yeah.
That's why I said.
Where's the link to it?
I sent it in the post channel. Also, I've upgraded it a bit, where I optimized the engine so that it's doing it with threads, and right now it's 5 times faster. Make it. People think I'm a bot. Well, can you really blame them? What should I do? Generic question. Can you really blame them? You just come in every day and you say day 72 of asking make it to make how math becomes difficult part 2. I don't know what to tell you, but I do believe it's.
Am I crazy or they have similar profile picture to paper?
No, because this is a stock image of a person. Caper has like the artistic gender bend. I don't know what to call it. I mean,
I guess you could call it that.
look at Caper's profile picture and tell me I'm wrong. Try it. You're off by 5 days. I'm not great with numbers, generic person. But yeah, basically I did test it and it runs about 5 or a little bit more than 5 times faster now. Actually no, around 7 times faster, because I do believe I got it to 20 milliseconds. There's a bit more optimization I can do, actually. I suppose I could also try that then. Oh, I already have it open. Brilliant, how convenient. How absolutely convenient. So, let's run this, let's run that. Okay. So, draw line right now is paralyzed. It feels so good to make this code because I'm proud of this. This is idiotic, but I'm proud of it. This is good. This is good stuff. Okay. How can we optimize it even more? Well, right now, I did actually the more difficult part first. That's because we did do the parallelization. What we haven't do is the easy optimization, which is just checking the segments we care about. Now that I say these sort of things aloud, I think I know I haven't been to a party in a while. Cause I feel like now that I listen to myself, I think I get it. I think I understand.
Oh, what you mean?
Okay. Check line checks the position of a specific point in comparison to a specific line. A specific 2 points that define the line to a specific point, right? Right here, we run it for the size of shape, which is, oh jeez, who fucking wrote this? Terrible. Hi there, Holy Thinkable. Hi and welcome. Why is this I+1 modulo size of shape? Oh, it's because we're going to the next. No, that does make sense. Does make sense. Okay. So check shape, that is what we run per point, but we don't want to be running check shape for every single point. Only we want it to be running. Yeah, right here, what we would actually rather do is okay, this, and then that's because beforehand we want to do an if and then break, and basically I might break the entire engine right now, so fingers crossed I don't.
Oh.
Float highest y, float lowest y, float highest x, float lowest x, and basic idea will be that we only want to execute this function if we are within the range of the shape. The meow meow work continues, yeah. I don't know if you've checked the GitHub repo, Katsi, but did you like the documentation?
I like the documentation.
I know, I've worked really hard on it. There's a special comment just for the documentation. I think it explains everything pretty well. I could also add the image of the evil taxi, actually. Hold on. I need to delete some of these images from there, but I really am shite at Git, so I don't know how to do it properly. Hold on, let me just. Let me just move them right here. Test in. Test images. Okay. There we go. There we go. And then we're going to create a copy. That copy will be evil taxi. Brilliant. And then how do you add markdown images? I don't remember.
Evil taxi.
Markdown images. Let's see. Oh, my water is boiling. Beautiful. Yes, that is what I wanted. I don't feel like cooking at the moment, so I'm just gonna boil myself some dumplings. The things I do for you. Oh, you lot. You're welcome. Instead of cooking myself a 5-star Michelin meal, I'm just gonna be eating frozen dumplings. Just so that I can continue working on, just so that the important work continues. Okay. I guess I shouldn't complain. I could have nothing to eat. Okay, two things. First things first. Adding an image. So evil taxi, and then evil taxi. Second of all, Jamie Page. Although I do believe the last time I was actually coding with something else. I think I was coding with my Westward playlist, and that also worked pretty well. Maybe I'm just good at what I do. That also is a possibility. Better not take any chances. Okay.
How do we run the fucking thing?
Yeah, okay. So, let me, right. Basically, if you look at my screen for a second, Katsi, I almost
I'm looking.
I almost called you Taxi. It's gonna be confusing for me to keep it together. Right. Basically, there are two codes effectively here. There is the library, which is the engine.c. This one just has all the functions required for actually drawing the shape that I've done. And then there is the graph.c, and graph.c is the one you are content with because this is actually creation of shapes.
Yes.
Now, in order to run it, you first need Linux.
Do we actually need Linux for this? Oh.
Yes,
God.
but it won't be that bad. Do you have any space on your drive?
Do I have space on my drive?
Yeah.
I have to my name currently 300 gigabytes.
Yeah, then you're way more than good. Basically,
Okay.
let me just give you the absolute
Oh,
banger, my favorite article: how to install Linux on Windows.
Oh, I have VirtualBox here. Thank God. Do I use that or do I need something fucking else?
You have what?
I have VirtualBox on this machine, I guess.
Oh no, don't use VirtualBox. Use WSL.
Okay.
I sent an article in the better chat. WSL, like,
Better chat.
if you look at on my screen, right, you can see that I'm running this entire thing on Windows, obviously. But this terminal
yeah.
on the right is in Windows, and this terminal on the left is in Linux. That's like all I need to do in order to run it in Linux is just write WSL, and there we go. Now I'm in Linux.
Okay.
Which is why it's more convenient. Hi Tefta, how you doing? Alright.
I feel a little bad that I'm wasting your fucking time, or you having to explain to me how this thing works.
No, won't take that much of an explanation, don't worry.
Okay, good.
I won't have to explain to you how the engine works either, actually, because I love the duality of man. Tefta joining in with WSL and Poncho joining in with Katsi! Hi, the Poncho.
I suppose, yeah, Poncho. I suppose you shouldn't have to explain to me how C works either, because I guess I know C++ kinda, and it's not bad.
In this case,
from there, right?
all of the difficult things will be taken care of by the engine, so you shouldn't have to worry.
Yeah, like I see code, I know what code does, you know.
Yeah. In this case,
So that's the thing.
in this case, you should just have to deal with the useful functions that might, hopefully, unless I've forgotten about something. That's not important. If oh my goodness, how am I supposed to do this? Float of width, right?
Oh.
If this is greater, then oh, but that's for line. That's line. No, it's fine. Okay. Jeez, this code is a piece of shit. Line shop, then
Line shop.
this is greater than the highest x. I'm hoping that this is x. Line j is x. Okay, it's x. If it's greater than highest x, or lower than lowest x, then we break it. Same way, if oh, this is also not great. Divide by height, I think. Highest y, lowest y.
So the tutorial you tell me how to install WSL is just like, okay, run single command and then have the entire thing be done.
Yeah, you run the sync command and you're in Linux. That's
I guess that's a good thing with fucking Linux. Just, do this command, it will all fucking work.
running Nomos on League, so I can't stay right now, but hope you keep winning. Good luck, Rude, I suppose.
Oh.
I'm so sorry, that sounds terrible.
Sounds like a miserable fucking way to kill yourself.
I swear.
Like, alcohol, drugs, that's all cool. League, hell no, that's terrible.
I swear I'm gonna forget about my dumplings, overboil them, and I'm gonna be so upset. Okay.
Oh yeah, don't fuck up your food.
We have this. Now all we need to do is, if I'm not mistaken, and I never am, all we need to do is just add in the highest y, lowest y, highest x, lowest x. Which means, as we create the shape, we need to... Oh jeez, okay, no, it's fine. Because we just need to void check boundaries shape pointer shop. Right. And this right here should just... All it should do is just take the shape. Highest y. Highest x, lowest x. Okay. Zero, I smaller than... Oh, I wrote this, I should know this by now. My goodness. Shape. Okay, sharp size of shape, I plus plus, and then all of these start at 0, because I think 0 is the lowest value. No, wait, highest should start at 0, lowest should start at 1. Yeah, my goodness, if I mess something up, I'm gonna be severely upset. Fun fact, I have my own piece of silicon wafer, which I prepared myself going to electron beam lithography machine. I have my own patent written on it. Oh my goodness, you're making your...
That's awesome.
You're making your own integrated circuits? Did I get that right? Right, from electron wave, from silicon wafers, or did I mistake it something? Okay. HY. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All of these we set equal to, but then we set them equal to... Oh, how do you get my ifs? How do I always still don't remember? Question, true statement, false statement. Gotcha. False statement right here. Question, and that will be... Okay. So, we set the high y to sharp this, then y, I. We set it to this. This is x, this is x. We set it to it if this one is higher than hy. I think. And then lower than ly. I should have tested if it works on its own before actually modifying it, I suppose. Oh well, too late now. Oh yeah, Rod for Trout started playing. That's a good sign.
Line go up, 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 up.
You can fish or you can be fished. Can make a fish real. I can't repeat anyone fish. I don't remember what the actual parody was.
Did you listen to the party 1 to 1 time?
Watch the line go up, up. Ah, that's such a. I did add it to the workhorse playlist, didn't I? Hold on, let me check. Did I? I didn't. Right next to Hole at the bottom of my brain, more subscribers. Road for Cloud is perfect there. Jeez.
Yeah. But I it.
I believe the pan was doing microns. Oh, that is quite cool. I love my dumplings already. I got scared because I genuinely forgot all them, obviously. Okay, so right now, this, if I'm not mistaken, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do time and we're gonna do tests where. No, wait. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Yeah, come on, not found. Oh, piss off. Test. Can I just do this? Oh, that's lovely. Okay. So we're getting around 0.3 roughly. And let me just check if it works, just in case. Okay. Where's the render? You can piss off with the prints. It's going crazy. Okay. It looks like it's working. Yeah, it's around 20 milliseconds. That's not bad. That is not bad on its own. But now let's try it. Let's try it with the new, hopefully optimized way.
I just installed Ubuntu, right?
Well, do you have options with WSL?
Oh, I can do whatever the fuck I want. Like whatever Linux I want, apparently.
It's been ages since I've downloaded WSL, so I didn't know. You can, I think Ubuntu will
I
be
just
fine.
do fucking okay.
Yeah, I think it should be fine.
It should work.
Check boundaries shape. This gives us pointer 126. Well, it does run quicker, but that's because it's broken. Damn it! Oh, damn it. Okay. Okay. Let's do synonyms, and then we're gonna have person B, person B, person B, person B, okay? And it's going to be mouth left, for example, because why not? And then highest X, lowest X, lowest Y, highest Y. I wish that I could fall. I wish that I could fall. Like nothing within nothing. I wish that I could fall. I didn't do it, but I must do. I mean, that sounds wrong actually. Oh no. No, that does sound wrong. 54. Then we get a 1. Which I don't exactly like. Why do we get a 1? We get a 1 on the lowest x. Why is lowest x? Okay, so lowest x. If x is greater than lowest x. Yeah, because it should be smaller. Jeez. Alright, now we get something that seems reasonable, but it didn't draw anything. Oh my goodness. Which means it's probably... Shut up! I wish that I could fall a little bit harder. I wish that I could fall like you or even harder. I wish that I could fall right into the arc, but I'm not gonna do on the other side. It's cruel for attention. Sponcho, all of the beeps and boops from all the different machineries in my workshop drive me mad. Can't wait till we add the beep and boop feature to Taxi. It's gonna be brilliant.
Beep, boop, beep, boop.
I honestly, it's so cathartic to. I genuinely will add beeps and boops so I can yell at them because it's you all don't understand how cathartic it is to have a machine beep at you and for you to just yell at it, shut up. It's honestly better than therapy.
You do this with me all the time.
I don't yell at you, shut up. I yell at machines around me, shut up. Oh my mannequin.
Yeah. Wait, is it 3D printer? Is it a smoke detector or is it a microwave? We never know.
I don't have a smoke detector. Add the Pikmin sound. It would be something
Yeah,
like
if
that.
if something happens, you're going up in flames.
Oh, that'd be brilliant. I need to find some fox noises. That's what I need. Yeah, that's what I need Taxi to sound like. I need some fox noises.
Wow.
No, it's because they're perfect.
Don't force the demonic screams or anything, something like that.
Well, only when they yell. When they don't yell, they're great.
Mm.
Okay, make it no more pissing about. What's happening here? Okay, highest X appears to be 0.54. In this case, oh, it's so tempting to just print it, but I don't want to. Oh no. First of all, that's already better. But second of all... Wait, why do we write an end line? That's so idiotic, we don't need that. We need to write the end line... Okay, make it one thing at a time. Ah, shit. Let me just first comment out these. This should work just fine. Yeah, it does work just fine. So let me just first move this line out of there into the create shape for int as 0 and smaller. That's not with heights. Oh, you piss. You. Oh, you. Oh, you. Oh, you. Oh, you. Because this is the line. Why is this a char pointer? What? Right. Oh my goodness, this code is awful. What does the fuck say? The ancient question. Who wrote this? Okay, no, at the end we can just do this. And that should work just fine. Segmentation for code up. No. Wait, no. 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 Yes. I'm an idiot. Draw shape. Right here we have a draw line, which works only. Yes, we can leave that, and we want fill buffer. Wait, this should work on its own. It does work on its own. Okay, great. Okay, brilliant. First problem solved. Now we need to figure out why these ifs aren't working. Because I'm an idiot. Why didn't you all tell me? Katsi, Poncho, I blame both of you. Damn it! No! Damn it! Why don't you work? You go over the eggs. Yeah, make it, go ahead, make it even less readable. Brilliant idea. If we're above it, we don't even want to loop. To go like this. It's curious because it almost works. It breaks sometimes. It should be a square. Why does it break on the eyes? Check boundaries, yes. On creation of shape. Do we not create the other shapes? Oh. Wait, no, we must create them. We just might not create them like that, because if we do add arc to shape, then we still check boundaries. Taxi, listen, if you don't behave yourself, we're gonna have a problem. Okay, this is gonna slow it down significantly, but we need to actually peek inside, see what happens. So, print, and let's print values. This is gonna be a shit ton. X. Okay, in this case we're gonna have line. There's a line. So for a specific line, we're going to have highest x, lowest x, highest y, lowest y. And then we just need the x, we need the y. Oh my goodness, this is unreadable. There's package. This is the x, and the y is
Make it.
yup.
What was the command to put in sudo mode so I never have to do that again?
Permanently have sudo.
Yeah.
We'll normally do the root if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, never mind. Why do you need genuinely need sudo? I don't. For some reason, it never asks me for sudo when I'm running WSL.
Okay. That's fine.
Okay. So this is the minimum. This is the lowest. Oh, we could also do it on a line by line basis. But that would be idiotic. Would that be too much? That wouldn't be too much. But we first should get it to work at all. Okay, so this is the x we have. This is the x we have. The highest x, the lowest x, which is why it runs. Oh, what happened here? That y is highest than the highest y. Because the y, oh my goodness, how did I... Damn it! Why am I such an idiot? This is obviously what we needed to do. Okay, not obviously, but this is what we needed to do. Okay. Run. Run. Oh! I'm incredible. Yes, we reached 15 milliseconds. Okay, that's good. Wait, is your profile picture a GIF? Oh no, never mind, it isn't. I was looking at my own camera where you are mirrored, and I thought that it was just frozen in a different frame. It doesn't matter. Okay, so we did manage to speed it up significantly because right now it only takes 12 milliseconds. But we can do it even better, and that's because... Let me just get out. Username. Oh, piss off! I forgot I need to do it here. Git add dot git commit a message area push.
Okay, I think I got the thing set up. How do I run this thing now?
Okay, so now right now the image show. Oh, it doesn't matter. Is Evo Taxi? Oh, because I did not Evo Taxi. It's add. What? Git add Evo Taxi. Oh my goodness, because fucking Git ignore right now. Oh, right now you work, huh? Okay, so when you have the GitHub, actually you can just do you have Git installed? Because that's another thing you're gonna need. You're gonna need.
How do I get to?
Yes, you do need Git. Do you have Git?
Is there a command to fucking do it, or do I need to look it up again?
Well, if you have a terminal, you can just type in Git, and if it works, that means you do have Git. Actually, wait, you have Linux, right? You have the WSL. Oh.
Yeah, I have WSL.
Okay, you have WSL, so that's much better. So if you look at my screen, right? If you start WSL, then if you want to install Git on Linux, all you need to do is just sudo. Actually, I don't know. You need sudo. It's apt install Git, and that's it. And now you have Git. Because Linux is just superior.
Intro the command again.
Apt install and then Git.
Okay.
Whenever you want to install anything, you just do apt install and then the thing you want to install, and it just installs it. Unless
I know.
we have a different
I just haven't done it in a while.
Unless we have a different Linux, because sometimes it's Pacman, sometimes it's apt-get. I think it depends what the package manager is exactly.
Yeah, apt-get. Oh, then. Oh, okay. There it goes.
Yeah. So let me know when you have Git. Apt
Yeah,
install 500 million. Yeah. This one simple trick. Everyone hates him. Okay.
500 million.
Let me know when you have it installed.
Yes.
Alright, so now all you need to do is on GitHub, the code, the green button code, copy this, and then git clone and then the link. I can be your liaison.
Okay. Is that this? Hold. Can I just show that screen? I do. Okay. Yeah, it's done.
Okay. So once you have that, now what you should see is that you should have all the files that I have. Maybe except for the Evo Taxi PNG, because that one I just didn't commit.
Where should I go?
You can just do ls. Oh,
Blur.
yeah, right. In order to do it right, you have everything, but you should have a better environment to watch it. Okay. Do you have VS Code? That will unfortunately need to install on Windows.
Problem.
If you have VS Code, very important, VS Code, not Visual Studio. These are comically different.
Oh my god.
Visual Studio is for specifically C++, whilst Visual Studio Code is just a text editor.
VS Code.
Yeah, that's the editor I'm using. It's just more convenient.
Not the thing I download it. Where are you? Yeah, it's Code. It is VS Code.
Code is blue, Visual Studio is violet. Purple.
Oh yeah, I have Code, yeah.
Okay, that's great. Then what you can do is you can just open it in the place where you install the files. Because the thing is, once you did the git clone, this just literally downloads the files. Like, you just have it as a folder.
Mm-hmm. So where did it go to downloads?
It went to where you had the terminal open. So when you have the terminal open, right here it should say the path where you are. And that's where you cloned it.
Well, I have the thing open in VS Code right now.
Okay, so you have all the files there.
So they should be there, okay?
You can just give me a stream if you want, and I can help you out there.
Yeah, I should just do that. Hold on. I need to do some minor buttfucker. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna be right back.
It's just like minor buttfuckery. Hey, who am I to judge? Okay. I got dumplings, I'm not gonna eat them though, because I'm just so preoccupied with the coding right now. Basically, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna change it up, so instead of checking the region for the entire shape, we'll be checking it specifically for... Oh, that works in the entire shape, doesn't it? I think I'm wrong. Yeah, no, we can't do that, never mind. Honestly, it's that much better, because at least it works, so... Oh, well, that's a different cutscene. No, you're a ghost now.
There we go. That works. Okay. I need another account so I can install from this one and I can stream on the other one.
Okay, that's good then.
Where do I share screen? There we go.
Right. So basically, this is the code. Yes. In this case, hold on. We run that. So do git clone. Okay. Now in the terminal where you are at the very bottom, where it says user, write cd.
Yeah.
And then space taxi.
CD. Taxi.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yes. Enter. You can just press tab, by the way, to fill things in. Right, and then code, code space dot.
Oh.
And this should open the VS Code in that directory. Run around for the money, time Russian stuff, like get more relatable and holy thinkable.
Okay.
I need to change the stream because I can only see the old code.
Oh, and okay, yeah.
Actually, the engine is done. What do I do?
Go away. There you go.
Okay. Now, basically, in the terminal, type in, or you're already in WSL. That's good. Okay. In that case, in order to run the code, here's what you need to do. GCC. That's what you write first. And for now, just press enter, just to see if you have it. Okay, you don't. But fortunately, it is Linux, so installing tools is extremely easy. I don't know if it's actually GCC in this case, but we'll see. Linux install GCC. No. Oh, it works. Well, egg on my face. I thought it would be Build Essential or something like that. Because GCC is one of the... Yeah, Linux is just smart. I don't tell you. It just... Like, once you start using Linux, it's so wild to realize that in Windows we don't have a package manager. You have the fucking Windows store, which is idiotic. That's what we get.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. The point is, right now if you type in GCC again, you should have it.
See?
Yes, good. So now, GCC space dot slash graph. So you can do dot slash gr and then tab to fill it in. So press tab. There we go, that's the file. Then dot slash engine. I have decided that I hate League and will never play again. This is a lie. Ha! I see, Rude.
You will be back. They are always.
That's the game. Okay, then slash. Press tab. And then C. Because there are the two files there. There's engine.c and then engine.h. Okay, space. Then dash lm. This is just because dash lm, yeah. L means link, M means mathematics, that's because I'm using mathematical functions. Space, dash O. Dash O is a flag for output, so what file to output to, and then space, and just write in something like dot slash taxi, for example. Just taxi with yeah, and then enter. Fingers crossed that it works. Oh my goodness, it did. Now you can see that you have a new file called taxi. And
oh, I misspelled taxi. Fuck.
oh, it's fine. You'll be able to just. It took milliseconds to compile it. It's fine. But the point is, in the terminal, if you right now write in taxi, so dot slash and then taxi, you need to do dot slash to let it know that it's in this directory that I ran correctly. Yeah, and then enter.
Okay.
Congrats. You've just run the program. That's it. That's now.
Where's my some visual representation?
Well, the visual representation. So basically, right now, if you click on taxi.buf, the file on the left, which is this one, that is the file, because that's how I chose to have it saved. Now, I imagine you don't want to actually view it this way because it is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
So in that case, in the terminal, type in Python 3 to see if you have it.
Really
No. Python 3, the number 3, right without the space. Because that's a single program.
Python 3.
You do, okay, so quit and then open bracket, close bracket, because that's how you just leave with Python.
What?
Quit.
What? Quit?
Yeah, quit, open, close brackets, the normal ones.
Oh,
yeah, enter.
Not bad.
Yeah, because it's a function that quits Python. Brilliant. So now Python 3 space dot slash renderpy.
Free space.
Dot slash renderpy.
Renderpy.
Yeah, render.py because that's the file that you want to.
Yeah, I saw this. Render.py.
Yeah, now you press enter.
Where?
Oh fuck. Okay.
Yeah.
Pip install pill.
Pip install pill.
Yeah, pip is a Python package manager, so the same idea. Yeah, or it could be all caps pill, I think.
Pip is a problem.
Oh, then just run what it tells you to run.
What should run? Install
Yeah,
pill?
it gave you the command. Just... That's because you don't have pip.
Don't.
No, it gave you the command sudo apt install python 3 pip. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, over there. Yeah, I see. Sudo. Doing fucking Ubuntu for fun wasn't on my bucket list today.
Honestly, I do have to say, this is actually pretty tame. Because normally when I was working on my other graphical engines, you would have need to install a shit ton. Oh, okay, this is bullshit, yes. Right. Oh, this is annoying to explain why this doesn't work. I know why this doesn't work. Okay, so instead do apt install python dash pill.
Pill.
Yeah, but
Not pip. Pill.
yeah, pill, not pip. Yes. Okay, pill has to be permission 9. Never mind. This is fun.
Fucking sudo.
How fun it can be.
Bitch. That's not sudo. That's sudo. There we go.
Okay, but all right, the progress. So pill, I do believe, has to be in all caps.
Okay. Nope. It's still fucked.
Okay, hold on. Let me check what the package actually is called. Python install pillow. Pillow. That's what it's called. It's called pillow.
Pillow. So. Fuck. Pillow, okay. Why did I put the fucking window here?
Oh, that's creative route. I not often see people deleting boot. Usually they just delete everything. But boot on its own, I can see the appeal of deleting boot on its
Sudo
own.
RF.
And it should be Python,
Yeah.
Python / pillow, because Python, it's something with Ubuntu. I don't like it.
Python freeze. With free, right?
I honestly don't know. It might be with free, it might be without. We'll see.
Go.
Oh no, it has to be dash, not slash. Yeah.
Slash amps. Sorry.
Okay,
Why?
let's try Python on its
Oh.
own. So instead of Python 3, just Python.
Python.
Okay, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. Ubuntu Python install pillow. Oh, maybe it's a lowercase p.
Okay, controller. Try lowercase p.
There's another way that's. Okay, there's another way to do it, but it's just more complicated.
Oh, I found it. With free and lowercase p.
Okay, eventually, all the combinations.
Eventually. Okay, I have that now. What now?
Okay, now you can just run python 3 space /renderpy. So just run the renderpy file with Python.
Free space.
Yeah.
Dot slash renderpy. Did I spell that correctly? Yes.
Okay, and now do you have the test temp.png on the left, I think? And you can just click on it.
Click on this.
Congrats. This is your own personal taxi. So in order to make this quicker for you, I'm going to give you a single command to run. And it should be graph engine C link maps outputs taxi and taxi. I'm gonna make you run Do you want, what kind of taxi do you want? Do you want sad taxi, horny taxi, angry taxi?
Let's go horny taxi.
Of course you fucking want to. Okay. And then Python. Okay, no, that's not horny now. Give me a second. Let's do -4. -65. Alright. This runs 3 things at the same time. So it compiles the program, it runs the program, and it renders the program. Which means that this command I just gave you, you can just take it, you can paste it into the terminal, and there we go. It did all of them at the same time.
That's horny taxi.
That is horny taxi, yes.
The trade eyes. Okay.
Now, if you go to graph.c on the
Yes.
yeah, and a bit lower.
Mm-hmm.
Right here in the graph C, these are the when you see like add arc to shape, that's actually creating the taxi.
Those fuckers.
Yeah. Now.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me just explain how this works, because I don't think I've added a function to. Okay, hold on. Let me just. Maybe I should add one more function, and that is add line, because I just realized that there's a way to add arc, but there isn't a way to add a line, or add points. Maybe better. Add points to shape. Okay. Expand shape distance n? Really? Is it done with n? Do I just do 1? I made this, I should know. N. Size of shape plus n. Okay, yeah, so you just add to it. Gotcha. So 1, and then previous size plus I know. So previous size is equal to x, and then is equal to y. Okay. Message, and let's do add points. Shape. Actually, no. First this. Give me a second. I just need to test if it works. I'm going to just add line. Alright, let's just do right in the middle. That should be simple. Yes, congrats. It looks like it worked. Ish. Kind of. Ah, fuck it. It converts all message. Alright, now in the terminal type in git pull. The opposite of push, just pulling. Git pull.
Git pull.
Enter. Oh, what the fuck? What do you mean? Dubious ownership in repository. What do you do it with sudo? Just.
Do I need to sudo?
Yeah, just try with sudo.
No.
Following untracked. Okay, now do the same thing, but this time before the pull, do -f.
Git -f pull.
Yeah. Oh, you fucking. Okay, up arrow.
What is an up
Just
arrow?
press up arrow on your keyboard.
Okay.
There we go. and now do the dash F after the pull, not before the pull. I love Git and I hate Git at the same time because I understand what it's trying to do. It's trying to make sure that nothing down gets overwritten. Remove things before you merge. Comment your changes or stash them before you merge. I don't give a fuck. I'm fine. I'm not upset. I would make it. I would make
minor,
it great.
Okay. Now, here's minor distractions before we go back to this. I'm invisible on stream.
Yeah, I know.
On
I know you
this
have been the
fucking
entire
account.
time. Yeah. When you joined in, the first thing I
Okay.
said was you're a ghost.
Oh.
Okay, can you just delete... Alright, type in RM space and
we
then
should do
taxi.
RMing everything.
Just remove taxi,
Please.
lowercase.
No.
Enter.
Boy.
Okay, brilliant. Now remove taxi.buff and testtemp.png. Same command. Meditations will make it next. Medications will make it what will be next.
What's the last one?
Test temp. The test temp PNG.
Yes.
Alright, and now up arrow till we get to the git pull. And just git pull.
Do you want to remove tag Z2?
No, taxi I think is fine. Just up arrow till you get to the git pull. Yeah, and now enter.
This.
It worked! There we go. And now all the changes I've committed are on your computer. Oh, my anxiety.
Okay.
Oh. Alright, now
Awesome.
back to explaining how it works. You can watch on my stream this time because that will be just easier. Basically,
Yeah, I'm watching.
here's how the engine works. You have two functions, only two because we're on a tight budget. Those two functions are add arc to shape or add point to shape. Now, you first start by creating a shape. You do it by using this, and then size of shape equals 0. Don't worry about it, just these two things in combinations. That's just...
Okay.
Also, don't worry about the comments right here, they're not important. They don't matter. Okay, so this is how you create a new shape.
They all matter.
They all matter, yes. Now, adding an arc or adding a point effectively means that... why is paint... Oh my, not this again. My PC cannot handle paint. Right, fine, that's
How do you do it?
what whiteboard exists for. Okay. Oh no, I don't have my whiteboard here. Well, whatever. Upsetting.
We on SBC.
Okay, so basically,
The
the way it works is that you have this screen, right? Now, if I'm not mistaken, although I could be, this x-coordinate goes this way from 0 to 1. That's your x-coordinate. And the y-coordinate goes this way from 0 to 1, if I'm not mistaken. Although I could be. Test it for yourself, because I don't fucking know. I made this, I don't know. Now, I'm pretty certain this is how it goes. And so basically, with these functions, you add points to your shapes. So for example, if you add a point right here, then add a point right here, then add a point right here, then add a point right here, this is how it will get drawn. So this is the shape you will get, right? But crucially, that's only if you draw them like this. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is like the order in which you add them in. If you add them differently, so if you, for example, do some start with this point, then this point, then this point, then this point, then this is the shape you're going to get. So the order in which you add the points matters, because they are drawn chronologically.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how it works. Then when it comes to the arc function, honestly, once again, I can't give you how it works because I don't fucking know. You've been there when I made this. Obviously, I don't know. But the point is, the way an arc works is that you define the point in the middle, you define the radius, you define the phase, you define the angle, right? And then basically and then you define how many points you want to approximate by. So then it just draws a whole bunch of points like this. And this is your first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh.
Mm-hmm.
And those are the only two functions you have access to right now. So just to... do I have any proper explanation? Yeah, no, I don't really.
Okay.
That's all you get. If you go to, really briefly, if you go to your code, my code, but if you go there, the point is, just that you can note everything down. Then, okay, then you, above the arc to shape, one of them, doesn't matter which one, just one line above them, click. One line lower, there we go, slash, just to add a comment, and then write shape, then space X, then space Y, then phase, PH, ace, yeah, then radius, then angle, Hyderquaza, then N, and then flip. Why Quaza leave left already? That was quick. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because I don't think Quaza realized we're streaming. Oh, to be fair, we are not on the streaming. Whatever. Okay, who gives a shit?
Yeah, we're not in.
So, this is just as a tip for you. This is the inputs into the add arc to shape. This is how they go. So for you do the shape you wanted to add it to. X coordinate.
Phase just go left, go right.
No. Phase is like the offset. In this case, I just did 0 and 1 because it works. But it theoretically should range from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Rotation one way, rotation the other.
Oh.
So that is an angle. You can tweak it right now if you wanna test it out.
Wait, that's an angle. So what is this fucking angle?
Well, that's because there are two angles. There's the angle of offset, and then there's the angle that is drawn by. So basically, if you look at my stream, and if you look at these arcs, right? You have the first angle, which defines how long the arc is, and then the second angle, which defines how much rotated it is from going straight down. I don't know if you understand what I mean.
Oh,
yeah, because you can't rotate anything, right? I didn't implement rotation in this engine, which means that this is how you have to do it. If you want me to add
so if
more,
there is no rotation, it'll be like this.
There is no rotation, there is no transformation, no scaling, there is jack shit. I could add more. I could add rotation, scaling, and all of that. I probably will actually. It wouldn't take that much effort.
Fine.
Anyway, try to join, but I forgot Discord.
Right now, I'm working with this.
Yeah, right. So right now you don't have many tools because you have actually 2 functions, and that's it. So it's not a lot because I told you before that working with my code is not gonna be easy. I will try to warn you.
I didn't expect it to be easy. This is fine.
Fine is a choice of a word to describe it. There are a lot of words I would choose. Fine is not one of them.
This is bearable so far. How about that?
That's something.
Is that better?
I can genuinely add rotations now that I think about it.
Okay.
I can, yeah, that could make this easier.
You have another human trying to work this out. If you have
Isn't it fucking impressive, by the way, that I made a cross without any of those functions. I just... Now you can see how I did the cross. Or the fact that I fucking made taxi, I'm sorry, that is also something.
Yeah, no, it's fucking cross. You just put points and like you look at it in your fucking mind palace.
Yeah, my mind shed. Oh. You know what's wild? A while back ago, and I mean years ago, I did test out the Mind Palace thing. I wanted to see if it works. I don't remember what I've put in there, but I do remember what it looks like. And there is there's a tree in the corner. I don't know why. In my Mind Palace there is a tree in the corner, and I don't know why it's there. I just don't know.
Brilliant.
In my opinion, Mind Palace isn't already, no. Like, I still remember what it looks like, but man, is it a waste of time. Is this what happens when GIMP goes offline? Yeah. This is what people resort to. There are certain things I could add there that would make this more bearable and better. But... I don't fucking want to. Rotations are okay. Rotations, scaling, and transformation would be relatively easy to add. So that I could maybe do. What other transformations are useful?
Rotation scale.
You do need to double check everything I told you because as I mentioned, I don't exactly know how this works. I made it. I don't know how it works.
Unless something very perfectly, I won't bother you again.
I feel like you can even if it doesn't because, well, I mean, I don't think it should segfold. It might. If you see segfold, don't worry. Segfold is like only one of the gravest errors you could have. Well, standard errors, unless you're trying to get an error. It's but something just happens.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the size of shape 0? What's that for?
Size of shape 0?
Did you define the shape?
That's because when you create a variable in C, it doesn't have a value on its own by default. You need to give it a value. And size of shape is basically the amount of points. And so from then on, when you like add arc to the shape, the way it works is that you add more points, right? So if you add an arc with 5 points, then it will just take the size of shape and add to it 5. But if you create a size of shape on the very beginning and it gets a random value of something like 5,750,000, then that will just be a garbage all the way through. So you need to first start it at 0 to make sure that it's nothing. No, jeez. What am I doing with my life?
Yeah, and then to make the eyes, I also fucking have to deal with this unholy variable.
You can get rid of it by now. At this point, you can do whatever you want with your copy. It's fine.
Yeah. No, I know. Arc. What is that?
Yeah. So. F of x is equal to ax plus b. Is oh my goodness, that was the entire constant companions. How long have the stream been going on for already?
been
An hour? No,
hour
okay,
and 20
that
minutes.
checks out. I just went through the entire thing. Fine, my backup playlist then.
Damn. What's your backup playlist?
It's a different cinematic, cinematic painted black. I don't want to call them remixes because they're not that renditions.
You could do. Hold on. What the fuck, Jimmy Page has?
No, I'm not. I'm not coding anymore. I need to save Jamie Page for when I need them.
I see, I see, okay. I see, I see.
That are just segments of a function. F function with the domain of the x.
The line, right?
First,
No, that's not the one.
helpful. Because
Do you want some ambience?
I already have ambiance, but I do want some
Oh.
dumplings. And so I
I want-
wanna eat them
I
down.
want just some ambience. There's an ambience artist. This
Oh my
one
goodness,
afterwards.
they have absolutely no taste.
They're not good? What the fuck?
Yeah, they taste like nothing.
Why?
I don't know. Nothing,
Oh, the misery.
nothing a little bit of ground chili can sell. Ground chili and soy sauce.
So sad.
That ought to fix them up. You sure you don't have COVID? Mate, COVID wouldn't survive in my fucking body. Good luck. My body is inhospitable to viruses. I fixed it. Yeah. Oh, now it has all the flavor. It's delicious.
Is that thing under 5.2 second needed? Or no?
Is what?
The thing under 8.2 shape, the commented bit, is that fucking like useful or no?
If it's commented, then no. Add point to shape is just the function I created right now. You know, the reason why it's
Oh, it's just
yeah. So if you want to add a single point,
X, Y of points. Okay.
yeah, if you want to add a single point, then you use that function.
Okay. And
Oh,
I should fucking start.
Oh, hi there, Atomic. How you doing?
Hello.
What? Just calling from my apartment. You know how it is.
This is a stream, by the way, just in case, because we just didn't bother to move to the proper voice channel for streams.
Oh, is this the test stream you were talking about?
No, that one. No,
No.
that one is already done. No one joined in for that one. This is just me working on a graphical engine to run the column 3. Well, I'm working on. I finished the engine. Katsi right now is drawing the column 3s.
What is a meow meow?
Well, that's the video. That's the script for the
Okay.
video. Duh.
Okay.
No, I'm sorry, what are you confused about?
No, I'm not confused. I'm just a little worried, but yeah.
How do I run again?
How do you run it? Well, I gave you the really long line of code.
Oh, very long
Well,
line of
not
code, of
code,
course.
only the thing.
Yeah. But of course.
Well, I'm gonna make udon while you do your questionable script. Yeah. All right. Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good one then. Right, well, yeah, there we go. Time for all the Americans to join in for half a second. We're getting all the Americans that don't live in America.
It fucking works. Behold my first image. This is my first creation.
Yeah, let me see. The fact that it works is honestly already something. That's more than I was expecting it to, so that's good.
Brilliant.
Oh, the animation rendered, I didn't even notice.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Right. Phineas and Ferb, but with Make It projects. Oh, that's brilliant. Once I have enough things to root, I will do that. My own rendition of the song. Okay. One into string, and then we can need 3 of them.
Oh, I came down to them nurtured and write fucking loops to fucking go for add pointers, like
Yeah.
add different shit.
Yeah, that's the upside.
Ah, joy.
The downside is everything else.
Hey, we at least got the thing working right now. Like, you know,
It is really
the
fucking
hard part is already
impressive
happening.
that it works. It honestly is. I don't want to say advanced because it's not, but for its size, it's a pretty neat engine. It works with threads.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool as well.
You aren't wrong.
Wait, what am I doing? Why am I doing it this way?
Right now, it doesn't. The fuck? What did I fuck up? I see. Okay. It's more.
Okay, it should be X, Y, Z, so reds.
Fine, fish.
Alright, let's add a couple more decimal points. It could be absolutely unreadable actually now that I think about it. Alright. Now we take this, and instead of instancing that, we instance this, and we do position, like so. Oh, you are pissing me.
What happened?
No, it's just... Ah! I need to do it the dumb way.
Hmm.
Need to take this, and we need attribute.
Fucking errors, man.
What kind of error did you get?
The fucking lines, like the random shit. You know?
If they made random shit, that maybe...
You know.
You need to keep in
explain?
mind that the fact it's chronological, right? So if you have the right shape in mind, but we
I mean,
have the right
I
order-
just mean the artifacts. Like, you know.
Oh no, then that happens when you have a perfectly horizontal line or perfectly vertical
I know.
line. I can
Slightly
fix
not.
that. I can
I
fix
need to
that.
add a fucking what's it called? What's it called? The fucking floating point error to one of the numbers.
Yeah, but no, I can fix it later actually.
99999. That will work, it will work. And then the upper one is here.
How does that capture the attribute?
What is here? Oh my god. What have I done? So much worse now.
Oh, fuck yeah! I am just so clever.
Mm-hmm.
All of these shouldn't matter.
I'm gonna say the line.
Oh jeez.
Hmm.
Brilliant.
Like it's. I'm sorry, what makes them again? Because I thought I would remove the lines by doing this, and it remarkably didn't.
Don't fucking worry about it, right? Just fucking don't worry about it.
Okay, I'll get.
I'll
every
fix
time
it.
Error, fine.
I'll fix it later.
Okay.
I think the reason why,
Okay.
you know why I think the lines are at the top, and don't question me on this. This is my guess.
Okay.
I'm guessing the lines at the top are there because the lines at the bottom are flat. But don't question me or don't test it because I could also be wrong. It doesn't have to make sense. It just has to work, and so far it did.
Okay.
For if I do research, either right now in my graduate study, I still don't know what to research about. I know the areas I'm interested in, but not what to research in these areas. Well, I mean, if you're gonna be doing research, I imagine you won't be the one in charge, unless you want to be in charge. But if you don't want to be the one in charge, then you can just look at what different people in the field are researching and then maybe join in the research, so that then you can get a better understanding of what research even looks like, and then based on that, maybe that will give you some ideas. Just an idea.
Yeah. Well.
Should be fine. Even then, next question is the function. What is the A in this case? Well, since we know the coordinates of the 2 points defining the line, we can just plug them in, solve it, and that's it's actually so much easier than
Is it?
yeah, this is fair bit easier to explain. I thought it's nice.
Yeah.
Wait, do we want to share on the left either? If it goes the other way, no, it doesn't matter. Oh, goodness gracious me. This is... Why am I... Just why am I putting so much care to this?
Why are you?
As far as my projects go, this is... I've put actually quite a lot of care to this so far. I don't understand why. I haven't even plugged in the screen yet, which is another thing I'll need to do. Even though the screen has really nice jumper pins I could plug in. Actually, for this video, I don't even know if I'm gonna do most of it in Blender. I might do some of it just in my own graphical engine, because it'd be easy to visualize. We're gonna go to bed. Wanna wake up early to catch versus KT. I don't know what that means, Root, but hey, good for you. Good night, Root. Have a good one.
Bye.
See you. League Esports. Oh, I see. Okay.
I think I guess. I don't want to say because fucking need. In this case, we need like a. I think I'll have to done mathematically. I could just do a sum. Yeah, so the other one could be n. Yes, this could be a sum.
Noting it down would be annoying. Visualization. And where are we next? Ah. This is good stuff. This is certainly good stuff. Is this still rendering? It is, but it's almost done. That's good.
Oopsie.
Whoopsie. The entire project is a whoopsie. Oh, let me go with this imagine a point. I already forgot what the mathematics for this was. I have worked on this entire project from scratch. How do I keep forgetting absolutely all of the mathematics? It is honestly incredible.
Where does it go? I love how Crucial is the dumbest shit I've ever heard.
You're telling me I've made this.
I'm trying to make some functions to make this shorter. It's not getting any shorter, man.
Yeah, it tends to do that. Um,
Hmm.
this curve right here.
I'm making this absolutely unreadable for future generations. Mm.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go.
You're going. See my fucking abysmal dirt shit probably works. First.
You're listening to Keep Yourself Safe. Oh, that's nice.
Keep yourself Oh.
I have that song in my playlist for snorting estrogen.
But keep yourself safe.
Yeah.
It's a very good song. Uh,
Anyway,
shit.
I'm off. I'm going.
Okay. If you stay for 1 second, would be fucking nice.